This is a pretty inexpensive quartz watch. Probably, it might be worth somewhere between $20 to $40 on eBay. This should be a pretty simple repair. It's got that tank, they call this kind of a tank size or shape. Made in Japan. The movement's Hong Kong. This has a kind of vintage or antique look to it, which is kind of cool. So, not expecting anything amazing. The band's kind of nice. It's a nice thin band. It's not the best made, but it's not the worst either. Nice and gold tone, gold plated, whatever you want to call it. Guess I just open it up here. Yep. Easy enough. Inside has no markings. Yes, Japanese Miyota movement. These are workhorse movements. I have taken a lot of watches apart, and these movements seem to run forever. They always work. I very rarely find a bad Miyota movement. In this particular movement, I'm not sure what this model is, but this is used in a lot of inexpensive watches, and they run forever. So we will put a new battery in here, and the battery in this one looks like it's a 626. It's got a lever. Now this lever is really close to the coil. You don't want to damage your coil, so be careful. I've actually destroyed a coil before. I think it was a Ronda 715 that went to a Victorinox Dive Master 500. That was not fun. Okay, so what is this in this terminology? It's probably, yeah, so it's a 377. 626 and 377 are the same. So I have plenty of those. 377, aka AG4. I'm sure it's got other names, because that's just how batteries are. Where did I put my tweezers? Here they are. Okay, so just need to install this under the lip, just like that, and then you need to put some force because the negative pin is spring loaded on the bottom, or negative tab, whatever you want to call it. So the way I usually do this is I will push down on the battery, push it in a little just to make sure, move the lever over, and then in it goes. That way I'm not overstretching anything or causing too many issues. Okay, moment of truth. Just like it's supposed to. I don't know what it is about these Miyotas, but they always work. They're beautiful movements. I'd even argue they're more reliable than Ronda movements. So, very cool. Very cool. And it runs. Now you can tell this is a cheaper watch because of how this is all machined. It's very sharp. And there's actually a lot of dents from the machining process in here too. And this is very rough right here. So it's an inexpensive watch, but if you want to get that vintage feel for not a lot of money, this will do it. Anyways, thanks for watching.